Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it.
So, just starting off this look, we are going in with the Pale Away's base, as always. I always use this, it's fantastic. And as promised guys, I am actually going to be taking the 'Tis the Season palette again, and we're going in with the brown row. So we're just taking this full row and we're creating a look with it. So the first shade that I'm taking is the shade Ginger, and I'm just putting that down in the crease area, and I'm basically just setting all that base. So the first shade that I'm taking out of this row is Hot Chocolate, which is a dark brown, and I'm just putting this in my outer crease area. I'm going to try and upload twice a week. I'm going to try and upload on a Wednesday and a Friday, and the upload will be at 6 PM UK time. So that's when I'm going to try and have uploads. So I've done the brown video, which is obviously this video, then we're going to do the purple row, and then we're going to do the pinky red row, and that is going to be all the looks with this palette. I really want to maximise and use up these palettes, because that's something that I wasn't doing. I was just doing one look and then not actually using the palettes. So yeah, so we're just going with the shade Cookie now, and we are just blending that into the shade Hot Chocolate. We're blending that slightly above so that you do have that dark going into the light, and so that you do have that nice transition shade. Then we're just taking a little bit of blank canvas, and we are just cutting that crease a little bit with that. This is just going to give it a nice tacky base to put down these stunning shimmer shades. So the first shade that we're going in with is the shade Candlelight, and that is this shade right here, and it is a stunning kind of coppery orange. So I wanted to go in with that, then I went in with the shade Celebrate, which is just a little bit lighter, and I just put that right in the inner corner of my eye. And we just blended them both together. Then I'm just going back and forth and blending this all out so that it's seamless. Now I'm just curling my lashes with my Doll Beauty lash colours, putting on a little bit of mascara. Then we are taking New York Lashes by Lily White Cosmetics, and we're wearing these again. Now moving on to face base, I'm just going in with the trusty Rimmel Last and Finish foundation. Absolutely love this foundation guys, I wear it all the time to be fair. And then just taking my Lily Duro concealer, don't know why I want to call it mascara there, just brightening up all the areas that need to be brightened up. Then I'm just taking a little bit of this contour wand by Doll Beauty, and we are just doing a little bit of cream contouring. Just blending all this in, and then I'm just going over the top of it with the powders and stuff, and a little bit of powder bronzer. And I will have everything listed in the description guys. Just blending all this in with my Real Techniques brush and my little Doll Beauty brush as well. So I'm just taking my Revolution translucent powder for like under my eyes and around my face. Then I'm just going over the top with some Hoola bronzer by Benefit. Also guys, let me know what kind of Valentine's looks you want me to do, because I haven't really filmed any of them yet, but I feel like with the purples and the pinks that are coming up, I could definitely be doing some Valentine's looks. So let me know what looks you guys want to see. Now I'm taking this bronze eyeliner pencil from Colourpop and I'm just putting this on my waterline. Then I'm just taking the shade Hot Chocolate and I'm just blending that into my lower lash line. Now for the lip combo, you guys should know this by now. I'm going in with Praline by Peaches and Cream and I'm going over the top of it with Revolution's Absolutely Flawless lipstick. Then I'm going over the top of that with some NYX Fortune Cookie lip gloss. If it's not the NYX one, it's normally Pout Bomb by Revolution, but we're going in with NYX today. Let me know what kind of looks you want done with the purple one and the red row, or the pink row even. So that is this look. Hope you guys love it. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, all the usual jazz, guys. And I'll see you in my next look. Bye.